Clean the Beach at Virgin Beach Resort, September 2020, is the title of our Virgin Beach Cebu vlog, number 94. Hello everybody. I'm Ron Perry, and along with my wife Faye Perry are the owners of Virgin Beach Resort, Malbago, Daanbantayan, Cebu, Philippines. We're still here in our home here in Tulare, California because of the COVID, but hoping to be there at the resort soon. We have a rocky shoreline, and of course there's high tide, basically no beach, as many of our customers have pointed out to us. But of course, as the tide goes out, there is a nice sandy area, and it is a sandy sea bottom, and it's great for swimming. We have a problem there at the resort with the wind coming from the east, from Leyte, almost constantly, probably more than 75% of the time, and that brings trash and debris and seagrass to our beach, and looks quite dirty at times, and of course we realize this. We've always tried to pick up the trash and the seaweed on a regular basis, but sometimes it failed because of the rain or the strong winds, the tide, and lack of manpower at times. Recently we hired 2 young people from Malbago. In fact, they're members of the Malbago Christian Fellowship, and they've done a terrific job, part-time, I think 3 days a week now, and they're cleaning the beach every day that they're there, and they're doing a great job. They're working very hard, along with our own staff who join in to clean the beach. When it's high tide and they can't clean the beach, then they help cleaning the grass there at the front. The beach does have a rocky shoreline. We've improved that. We have plans to improve it more. The trash that comes, there's 3 or 4 categories, basically 3 categories. First of all, there is wooden debris, that coconut branches, coconut trees, lumber, scraps of lumber, and these we try to, of course, take out, stockpile, and dry, and then either we use these in cooking, or our clients or our guests can use these for the grilling area, or our neighbors use this for their firewood. The second category is the grass itself, the seagrass, and among this grass is not too much kelp, but every once in a while there is some kelp, and we compost this, and then we use that as fertilizer. Actually, we compost it in areas and then plant flowers on top of that. And some places they do wash the seagrass off before they compost it to get rid of the salt. But mostly the plants along the sea there in our area are tolerant of the salt, and the coconuts will grow right in it, and other plants can grow in it. There's no problem at all. The third trash that we get from the sea is recyclables, plastic bottles, pieces of plastic, any type of plastic we recycle, and glass is recyclable. If it's not a San Diego bottle or a Coca-Cola bottle, or some bottles that actually have monetary value, we just break that glass up, and if pieces of broken glass, break it even more, and we use that in filling, or also aggregate for cement, when we pour cement. Then there is the trash that is not recyclable, and that is diapers and sachets and other things that can't be recycled. And those things we put in a sack, and we do take to the barangay trash collection center. We found many things along the shore that slippers seem to be pretty common. We've never found a pair, but they always seem to manage to find slippers, and sometimes the workers or somebody will use those because theirs is broken, and so they'll have a mixed match pair of slippers. And we found dolls, we found clothing, hats, caps, a number of items that actually are usable. So we do try to keep our beach clean, and that's why we have the seawalls with the steps going down, so you can always go swimming when it's medium tide or high tide. We have a gently sloping area, so that's why at low tide the tide goes way out. And it's interesting, as we did a vlog about high and low tides, the amount of sea life that's there at the resort. At low tide in the tidal pools, you'll find shells, sea snails, clams, crabs, jellyfish, small fish, small shrimp. They found the sea cucumber, and of course, going out a little bit further, they do find the swaki or sea urchin that is edible. Now, some people at resorts have removed the grass, but that's a mistake, because then you put the ecosystem off balance. The grass is an ecosystem, and it does serve a purpose. So unfortunately, when it washes up, really no purpose there except for us to gather it up. So this video is just to show you that we are cleaning our beach, and we're making an effort to keep it clean, and we may try to bring in some dolomite and have a Manila Bay challenge. At least that's our plan later on. So thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy the video. Be sure and subscribe, like, and share, and keep watching. Our vlogs do not contain ads. We're not getting paid by YouTube for our vlogs, and this is just a way for us to share about our resort and keep you updated on what we do. We have lots of different ideas that we share with you. We've gone through just about our whole menu. There's a few more food items that we're going to do, and some other food-related vlogs that we'll do later on. I'm getting ready to go to the Philippines, and we'll do a couple of vlogs about my how I got the visa, the tickets, and so forth, and the whole process. It's really complicated now. Actually don't allow tourism from the U.S., but they do allow people that are married to a Filipina to go back to the Philippines. So it is possible to return. And actually some tourists are coming in. I shouldn't say that they don't allow tourists, but they're trying to open up the country, which is good. And our resort is being inspected by the Department of Tourism, so hopefully be open for overnight. We are open for day use. So we'll see you in the next vlog, and thanks again for watching.